If your laptop always has fan on and makes a lot of noise, I'll show you top 2 methods to fix that issue 100%. So the first is press your Windows key and type power plan, and here you will see edit power plan option. Just click on this, and here click on change advanced power settings. Here you'll see processor power management. Double click on this and you'll see maximum processor state. Here double click and you'll see on battery 100%, and when it is plugged in still 100%. So your PC's maximum processor state is 100%, and your laptop might be using 100% of the processor state, so your fan is on. So what you can do is just double click on this and change it to 99, and double click on the plugged in one too and change it to 99, and now click apply and then click OK, and now your fan might get turned off. But if it still does not turn off, you can try to just edit it again and double click here, double click on maximum processor state and set this to lower. Now if you set this lower, you might feel that your laptop is running a bit slow, so this is not the best method. Now the second method to do this is to activate cooling. So what you can do is close this too, press your Windows key again and type registry, and you will see registry editor. Click on this and you will see your registry editor like this. Now just double click on system and double click on current control set, double click on control, scroll down and you will see power option here. Double click on power and then double click on power settings. Now you will see folders with a bunch of numbers. Here select 5453351, double click on this one, and then you'll see another list of folders with numbers. Now scroll down till you reach this 94D3 number, double click on this, and now you'll see this attribute description and friendly name. Right click on attributes and click on modify. Here set the value data to 2 and click on OK, and now you can just click on file and click on exit. And now if you go to power options again, okay, not power options, edit power plan, and click on change advanced power settings again, and in the power processor management you will see this system cooling policy. Now click on this and it's saying plugged in active, on battery passive. What you can do is set it to active in on battery 2. In your case, if it is passive and plugged in, just change it to active 2, and now click on apply, click OK, and you might see your laptop fan slowing down or stopping. If it does not, then reboot your PC, and then your issue of fan always running in its full speed will be fixed. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.